Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Uh, Friends.
Do you know which place they were designated?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I am healthy.
Okay, so if you think that you are unfit to come to work abroad, better stay in the Philippines, okay? So if you are
Yes.
healthy, then you can proceed. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Vina Generay Abaw. I am 34 years old from Camiquin Island in the Philippines. I have a living-in partner with three kids. Their age was the eldest is 12 years old, the second is 7 years old, and the youngest is 2 years old. And I am currently applying for a ha- house helper or any vacant position that fit to my qualification.
Okay, so Vina, I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
And my birth date is August 20, 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
I am 155 centimeter and my weight is 65
What is
kilogram.
your religion?
I am Roman Catholic.
What is your educational background?
I am a graduate of associate a vocational course, 2 years course,
Okay.
a computer hardware servicing.
Okay. So, you have three children and you have live-in partner, right? And this is your first time working abroad. Who will going to take
Yes.
care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My living in partner, my um, parents, and brother and sister in laws.
Okay. How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
My living in partner is already 41 years old and he is doing kind of small business like making snacks and go retail it in in our surroundings and our community like that.
Okay. So your live-in partner is your children's father, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many brother and sister do you have?
I have no brothers. I have two sisters. I am the eldest and the second one is in Cebu, and the third one is in Davao, in to my biological parents.
Okay. So what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parents, my stepfather is 51 years old. He is doing as a laborer. When my mother was 55 years old. She is a plain housewife.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia because this is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2007 to 2008, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked for 1 year as a housemaid, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait ah. Okay, you worked there for 1 year. In which place in the Philippines?
In our uh, Mount Diwalwal, Moncayo, Davao de Oro.
Davao. Okay. So can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Davao uh, way back 2007 to 2008 for 1 year?
I am doing as a housemaid like babysitter I am the one who take good care of the children, which is the 4 years old and the other 6. They are going to school. Every day, I wake up early and then make food to serve them, and then after that, I will taking them a bath, and then uh, um, putting their uniform, school uniform, and then reach them to their schools
Okay. So how
like
many
that.
children you take care?
Two children,
4 years
girl
old
and
and 6 years old.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, while taking care of these children, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am. When they are in the school and I am going back to their house and then make the house cleaning like that, washing
Okay.
their
Okay.
uniforms like that.
So way back 2022 to 2023, you work also for 1 year, is it?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
work as what? Housemaid also.
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
In the Camiguin Island, ma'am, our neighbor.
Davao also.
No, it is a part of Northern Mindanao.
Mindanao. Okay. So can you share it with me? What are your duties there?
I am I am a house cleaner there because they have no child because they are newlywed, and then
Okay.
my duties there in the morning I wake up in the 5 a.m. in the morning, and then I go to the kitchen. I make some foods
Okay.
while my
So in short, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you only work for 1 year? Why you decided to leave your employer?
Because I got pregnant, and then I need to go back to my house because maybe the uh, my pregnancy is not good
Okay.
to
Okay. So, you have a 1 year old child, right? Which is still small, which is still baby. Do you think you can handle the homesickness later?
yes, ma'am. It it will be I can control it.
Okay. You know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are
I
you
do. I
okay?
am willing.
So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Uh, Maybe it will be a time management.
Okay. So, are you okay? Okay. Can you take your baby?
Uh, Take good care. Newborn
Yes.
babies
Can you
like
take
that.
care
Yes.
baby? Kaya?
Yes.
Okay. Are you okay to take care elderly people?
I am willing to do that, but I have no experience
Okay. So
before.
yes
But
or
I am
no? Is it yes or
yes,
no? Okay. Can you
yes,
cook?
yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you don't afraid of dogs or any cats, huh?
Maybe at first, but it will.
Okay. So you will going to have a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences also that you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. You are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. And if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because we don't force people to come here. It's either you would agree or you disagree. If you agree with our terms, then you can come. Then if you disagree, we don't force people to come here. So in our initial interview, I am just letting you know that you agree so that once you come to work here in Malaysia, we don't have problem and you will not going to demand us about all these things, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so always respect the employer because this is not Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no. We need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the employer and we need to respect the culture also at the same time. So any problem, any concerns, inform your employer as you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Vina. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much
ma'am.
and have a good day. Bye.